Hello, it's Monica Harker, and I just want to share quick and easy how to submit a hostess order for a Facebook party. So you're going to go ahead and log into your back office, which is at consultants.myubam.com, and then go to the link paperclip button here and click to go to Orderpro online. And Orderpro is our site we use to submit the host order. It pulls in all the online orders and where we go to get them. They're free and half-price books. So you would go ahead and click New Order right here, and it would start the order. I'm going to go to one I started to show you, so I'm going to click Select, and that is also where you could go to work on an order you've worked on previously. So this is Molly Hostess's order, and I've put in her address and her information there. This tax rate changes depending on the address, and I am went to make sure to put that is going to ship to the hostess. If you forget to change that, the books will ship to you, so make sure you ship hostess, and I'm going to do standard. You could also do pickup if you're close to Tulsa, or media mail is sometimes faster for Hawaii and places like that. We're going to click next step, and I title it Molly Hostess Facebook Party. This number goes up every time. I just leave it. We're going to put in today's date, and we're going to make sure the order type stays as home party. If the party has reached the sales needed for the monthly hostess special, and she's also had a friend book a party with you, you can check this box and enter the friend's booking, and now they get the monthly hostess special bonus books. We go ahead and click next step, and now we get to add the books. Right now she doesn't have any free or half price credit here because we still need to combine the Eshow. So you come up here and click Combine Eshow, and grab her Eshow link from your e-commerce site. So I'm just going to grab one for this example. Kirsten's party is still open, but we'll select Kirsten's party. And it's going to change our party total here to be 138. So now if any friends wanted to buy anything at full retail and ship with Kirsten to save on shipping, this is where we go to enter the books now here in this full retail menu. Or say she told me, hey Monica, I'd like to get the rewards for a $150 party, so I'd like to buy one book in order to get there. So I like to keep this at title. I put binding to show all. I put here to contains. That makes it easy. And we're going to add Farmyard Tales to be her buy-up book, and she told me that on her list. So I'll go here, see quantity 1, click add, and so now you can see that we have Farmyard Tales here in our full retail. So we could add anything else she wants or any local friends want to buy at full retail. Once we have all those entered, our party total up here is going to change. Then we go ahead and get our free host rewards amount. So with a $155 party, she gets $20 in free books. So on her list, she told me that she wants to get the illustrated fairy tales, and that is a handy $20. So we're going to click add, and it pops down here and takes our free book credit there. Then we're going to go to her half price, and she says that she wants one of the busy books because they are $25, and she's going to get it for half price. What a deal. So we're going to get her busy bug, and that took care of her half price credit. So now anything that she's paying, like the shipping and tax and things on, anything that she's handling is entered. So I go ahead and get the total for her that she's going to pay. You can go next step, and then this is the order summary. And so it's going to tell her how much. So just like with our online site, any order, $75 book value or less, the shipping is going to be $6. And she pays a $2 hostess fee. And what that is what gets taxed instead of the full value of the books, the free books, and also helps out so they don't have to I think claim them on their taxes, like as a gift. Anyway, so that helps them. Sometimes I'll just cover it for my hostess if we reach like their goal or not. Anyway, but that's why that's there. And then come down here. I like to send them a screenshot of step 8 to get them their total and show them like this is your sales, here's your shipping, and there's your tax, because this is where it gives the overview of everything. Up here it's showing different ways that they calculated it based on what they're paying. You can also go here to print, and I like to do the one without the long book numbers. and get this. You could download this to give to them, and this shows their title, their total. It can be confusing as it's showing them the breakdown sometimes, especially when they have a long book list. I'll send them a screenshot of this page and then a screenshot of their 2 book lists, and then again I just will show them step 8 because that's showing them at the very end their total. So right now she's going to owe $49.24. So I can go ahead to I've sent her that. I'm going to call her and get her credit card information for that $49.24, or have her PayPal it to me, or have her send information, or I like to just send a Square invoice, and then I charge it myself, and then I get travel points on my Chase Visa. But what you can do is then you go ahead and you can add a new customer payment right here in this button down here. And then you're going to put in her $49.24 if it's the full amount there, or if I've already added some other things that I'm buying for her, you would make sure to write the $49.24 because that's her part, her Visa, her name, card number, expiration, billing, and the code on the back, and you'd click add, and then it would authorize that payment. Then I like to always, I don't want to forget, I'm going to go ahead and add any books that I'm paying for her. For example, if I'd offered to give a book for hosting, then the bottom one down here is the party bonus books. And what this is this is a $50 worth of books that you can add to the party, to the host's order at 65% off. So say I like to offer a Shine a Light book for booking from their friend's party. So she told me for her choice, for her host book, she wanted Secrets of Animal Camouflage. So now this Animal Camouflage at 35% is going to be added to the order. So now when I go to summary, my book is going to be on that order. But if I'm going to go to payment, I didn't do it here, but you'll see that I would have had done her payment, and so her 49 or whatever her total was will have been removed from this, and then just the difference, my total will be left here. I go ahead and put all my credit card information in. You don't need an auth number or check number, and then I go click next step, and it'll take me to a review page, and this is where it's going to check all, and I didn't enter anything here, so it's going to tell me I have issues, but it'll check addresses, it's going to verify those payments and everything, and then you just make sure to click through until you click next step, until it says like, congratulations, your order submitted, books are going to ship. But that's what I like to do for my easy way to submit a Facebook party.